Hi everyone, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Today is rates. We're going to do day 2. This is chapter 1, lesson 3. Here's our vocabulary again. So we have rate, which is the ratio comparing two different kinds of units. We have a unit rate, which is the rate that has the denominator of 1, and then the unit price, which has the cost for 1 unit of something. So a unit price is just dealing with price. It has to have price in it. A unit rate is anything that has a 1 on the bottom of or 1 in the denominator. Here's our first question. It says the Australian dragonfly can travel 18 miles in 30 minutes. How far can the dragonfly travel in 1 minute? So the first step that we have to do to find the unit rate is to first write the rate. And the rate comes from inside the question. So let's go ahead and write the rate. So I have 18 miles on the numerator and 30 minutes on the denominator. And I got that from right here. So 18 miles and 30 minutes. And remember, time usually goes on the bottom. And then I want to find 1 minute. And to find rates that are similar, we need to simplify, right? And to simplify, here I need to get from 30 minutes to 1 minute. How do I do that? Well, I would have to divide by 30, okay? And then if I divide by 30 on the top, then I have to divide by 30 on the bottom, then I have to divide by 30 on the top. Now I have 18 miles divided by 30. Now, I don't know what that is. You can use your calculator. So in my calculator, I'm going to type 18 divided by 30. And I get 0.6 miles. And that is going to be my unit rate. So how far can the dragonfly travel? So the dragonfly can travel 6/10 of a mile in 1 minute. That would be my final answer. And this would be an okay answer also, but I like to answer my question in a sentence. Let's go to the next problem. All right, here's our next problem. There's 4 potted plants that cost $88. What is the price for 3 plants? Now, we can't just go from rate to 3 plants. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from our rate to our unit price. So we're going to find the price of 1 plant, and then we can find the price for 3 plants. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have 4 potted plants cost $88. So I'm going to do $88 for 4 plants. Then I want to get to 1 plant. Okay, so to get from 4 plants to 1 plant, I have to divide by 4. And that would give me 1 plant. So I need to divide by 4 on the top. So 88 divided by 4 is $22. All right. And then the next step would be I have to go to, let me get a different color. All right, I have to go from 1 plant to 3 plants. So I need 3 plants on the bottom. So to get from 1 plant to 3 plants, then we would multiply by 3. So that means that I would have to multiply by 3 on the top. Okay, so $22 times 3 would be $66. So what is the price for the 3 plants? 3 plants would cost $66. Okay. So when you're finding rates, make sure if you have to skip, like if you can't get from 4 plants to 3 plants by dividing or multiplying or whatever it is, right? You need to find the unit price first, and then, we call this scaling, okay? So you need to scale it down first, the unit price, and then multiply to wherever you need to get to from there. All right, let's get started on our guided practice.